Welcome back to Quiz Corps.
Most people can't even get 15 out of 25 on this science quiz. And the last question is a total trap. Are you actually smarter than a middle schooler? Let's find out.
Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Corps channel for more exciting quizzes.
Question number 1.
Which part of the eye focuses light like a camera?
Answer B, lens.
What do we call the imaginary line around Earth's middle?
Answer C, equator.
Which scientist discovered penicillin by accident?
Answer B, Alexander Fleming.
What is the world's tallest animal?
Answer C, giraffe.
Which metal is the best for conducting electricity?
Answer A, copper.
What is the largest sea creature ever?
Answer B, blue whale.
Which ancient city features a leaning tower?
Answer C, Pisa.
What is the main ingredient in our atmosphere?
Answer B, nitrogen.
Which desert is the largest hot desert?
Answer C, Sahara.
What is the name for a spineless animal?
Answer B, invertebrate.
Which organ pumps blood through your body?
Answer C, heart.
What is the fastest bird in the sky?
Answer B, Peregrine falcon.
Which country has the most people?
Answer C, China.
What is the building block of all living things?
Answer B, cells.
Which planet is known for its beautiful rings?
Answer B, Saturn.
What do we call a scientist who studies stars?
Answer C, astronomer.
Which is the world's largest island?
Answer B, Greenland.
What part of the plant makes food from sunlight?
Answer C, leaves.
Which animal is the largest cat?
Answer B, tiger.
What is the liquid metal found in some thermometers?
Answer B, mercury.
Which force slows down moving objects?
Answer C, friction.
What is the world's highest waterfall?
Answer C, Angel Falls.
Which layer of the Earth do we live on?
Answer C, crust.
Which blood cells fight off germs?
Answer B, white cells.
And what is the closest planet to the Sun?
Answer C, Mercury.
Choose your next challenge and hit that like and subscribe button.